afternoon first to our Dean, Moses Aaron Angeles, and Vice Dean, Rolina Viloria, our administrators, faculty members, proud parents, and awardees. It is both a privilege and an honor to speak on behalf of the graduating class of 2026 of the College of Arts and Sciences. So sabi nila, we become the best versions of ourselves by learning. Pero para sa akin, may kulang. Kasi we become the best versions of ourselves by learning from the people who inspire us, challenge us, believe in us, and walk beside us. And ngayon, nandito tayo hindi lang para i-celebrate ang ating mga medals and awards, kundi para din i-celebrate ito kasama ang mga taong gumabay sa atin, mga naniwala at sumuporta sa atin. Alam kong hindi naging madali yung journey natin dito sa San Beda. Of course, it was indeed a humbling experience. And actually, I want to share a core memory of mine from my second year. Ito yung moment na na-realize ko that life will test you when you least expect it. Alam na ng mga blankmates ko yung kwento na to, but it happened on the first day of our midterm exam in second year. Papasok pa lang ng school when suddenly biglang nabangga yung tricycle na sinasakyan ko. So ako, tumilapon ako sa labas ng tricycle and gumulong-gulong ako sa kalsada. Dumating yung traffic enforcers and tumawag sila ng ambulance. But the first thing I did was to look at the time, kung ano oras na. I refused na sumakay ng ambulance. Kasi for me, kahit may sugat yung braso ko and yung tuhod ko, I'm still okay. Kaya ko pa naman. Ang tumatakbo lang sa isip ko at that moment was the exam. I need to take that exam no matter what. Kasi hindi ko afford na mag-take ng mas mahirap na special exam. So kahit sobrang sakit ng katawan ko and nabasag din yung laptop ko, naglakad ako papuntang Beda and finished that midterm exam. And afterwards, dun pa lang nagpunta ng clinic. Nakakatawa lang siya ikwento ngayon, but that experience taught me na hindi natin laging kontrolado yung mga mangyayari sa atin. There will always be setbacks, failures, and disappointments. Mapapaisip ka na lang kung kaya pa ba? Kaya mo pa ba? But what defines us is not what happens to us, but kung ano yung gagawin natin after. Every awardee here has their own story to tell. I know someone na kailangan niyang maging working student nung 4th year kami para matulungan yung mother niya sa medical bills. I also know someone na yung buong family niya nasa Japan. So, she spent many birthdays, celebrations, and milestones alone. And I also know someone who was so physically and emotionally exhausted na gustong-gusto na niya mag-take ng gap year. Magkakaiba ng kwento, pero pare-pareho ng desisyon. Yun ay pinili nilang magpatuloy. And despite all those struggles, nandito sila as one of the awardees. Maybe that's why San Beda became our second home. Naiintindihan natin ang reality ng isa't isa. Kasi lahat tayo, we all live the same story. From a freshie to a hulas ng senior. At bago pa natin mamalayan, hindi lang pala tayo gagraduate ng sabay-sabay, kung di tumanda din tayong sabay-sabay. Some of us here may pursue a higher education, some may work, and some may choose to rest for a while. But as we step into this new chapter, I hope that we never become too busy to look back. Habang nahabol natin ang ating mga pangarap, sana wag natin kalimutang bumalik. Hindi lang dito sa San Beda, kundi sa ating mga kaibigan, classmates, professors, at sa special someone na naniwala sa atin bago pa natin matutunang maniwala sa ating sarili. Most importantly, para sa ating mga magulang. Na sa bawat tagumpay na mararating natin, nandyan lang sila tahimik na naghihintay at sumusuporta. So, before I end, gusto ko lang din magpasalamat kay Mama at Papa, kay Mama Nida at Papa June, kay Mame, and to my professors who became my second parents here at San Beda, Sir Baldo, and of course to my friends sa APL, BPL, CPL, at syempre kay Lance. Thank you for helping me be the best version of myself. And to all the awardees, lagi nating tatandaan na sa kabila ng takot, pagod at pangangamba, nandito pa rin tayo ngayon. Hindi dahil madali, kundi dahil pinili nating magpatuloy. So class of 2026, congratulations, and may we continue to learn, to serve, and to become the kind of people who will inspire others. Thank you and see you sa PICC.